Altos House. Designed as a family retreat, this home blends modern architecture with the natural beauty of the Serra Gaúcha region. Perched on a dramatic topography, the home features an exposed concrete structure that maximizes privacy and offers stunning views. This residence is more than just a home. It is a sanctuary for tranquility, leisure, and connection with nature. The brilliance of Altos House lies in its integration with the environment. Positioned at the highest point of the site, the exposed concrete volume offers sweeping vistas while preserving privacy from the street. A spacious leisure area, shaded by majestic Araucaria trees, extends from the southern setback. This seamless blend of natural and architectural elements makes every outdoor moment memorable, whether basking in sunlight or enjoying the cool mountain air. Inside Altos House, the design philosophy of simplicity and elegance shines. Exposed concrete, glass enclosures, and natural stone floors create a cohesive aesthetic. The interiors mirror the external finishes, enhancing the flow between inside and out. Generous windows blur the line between covered and open spaces, inviting natural light and offering flexibility to adapt to the Serra Gaúcha's distinct climate. It's a space where modernity meets warmth, encouraging both relaxation and family connection. Functionality meets artistry in the house's layout. The front hosts social areas that open to captivating views, while the rear ensures restful privacy with bedrooms connected to a lush patio. A cantilevered upper volume defines the striking facade, sheltering the carved entrance below. By night, the home transforms, with its illuminated front resembling a glowing screen, a modern beacon amidst nature's canvas. Ascending the linear staircase, the rooftop terrace unfolds as a secluded vantage point. With its low parapet doubling as a bench, it's an ideal spot for stargazing or soaking in panoramic views. Practicality isn't overlooked. Covered parking and a wine cellar on the access level underscore the home's luxury. These details enrich the living experience, making Altos House more than just a retreat. It's an escape into elevated living. Altos House is a testament to architectural ingenuity and the serene allure of the Serra Gaucha. Its thoughtful design harmonizes with the landscape, offering a tranquil weekend haven for its residents. Whether savoring the shade of Araucaria trees, enjoying the spacious interiors, or gazing from the rooftop terrace, every aspect of Altos House celebrates the beauty of simplicity and the joy of connection with nature.